Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt taste better. First, select a high-quality plain yogurt as your foundation. Greek yogurt offers a naturally thicker texture and more protein, which many people prefer. If you only have regular yogurt, you can easily strain it through a coffee filter or cheesecloth for about 30 minutes to remove excess whey, resulting in a richer, creamier consistency. This simple step significantly improves the mouthfeel. Next, let's talk about sweetening and smoothing. Incorporate natural sweeteners such as honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar, beginning with just 1 teaspoon and adjusting to your preference. A tiny dash of vanilla extract or a sprinkle of cinnamon can introduce wonderful aromatic notes. For an incredibly smooth and rich texture, try blending in 1 tablespoon of cream cheese or a spoonful of your favorite nut butter. These additions transform the yogurt's consistency. Now, let's enhance your yogurt with fresh ingredients and delightful textures. Mix in about 1/4 cup of fresh berries, sliced bananas, or diced mango for a burst of natural sweetness and essential vitamins. For a satisfying crunch, sprinkle in a small handful of granola, chopped almonds, or chia seeds. Alternatively, a generous spoonful of your favorite fruit preserves or a homemade fruit compote offers concentrated fruit flavor and a lovely sweetness. Finally, don't be afraid to get creative, even with savory options. For a refreshing twist, stir in finely chopped fresh herbs like dill or chives, along with a pinch of salt and black pepper. You could also try a small spoonful of pesto or a drizzle of high-quality olive oil for a Mediterranean-inspired flavor profile. For a truly unique and satisfying meal, combine your yogurt with roasted vegetables such as bell peppers or sweet potatoes. Enjoy experimenting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.